What's going on, guys? Itskirby here, and I guess you can call this my quarantine vlog, and I'm bored in the house. I've literally done so many projects, it's stupid. Like, hold on. Ugh. I'm doing this on my phone because I don't have a camera. Like, literally, we got new TV set up, I've got the tree set up. I've had a lot to do, and this one was kind of car related, this one that I'm wanting to do right now. I got this last year for Christmas, which is a, seat warmer. So I thought it'd be kind of fun since it is sort of car related to, go install it. I really have nothing better to do. And also, I don't know, okay, you can't turn the camera on your iPhone, but if you boys look at this, I went and I got all my models back. So if many of you guys keep up with that on Instagram, I had like a bunch of models I started working on. The Camaro is ready. I got a Z, what year? It's a Z28 Camaro. And what else? I got two R34s and I got like a old Buick Regal. So I'm gonna be working on those soon. And I'm sorry if I'm not used to this. I'm trying to look at the camera, or at me instead of the camera. But let's go get this install done. I got nothing better to do. Why not? My mom just got home with the groceries. I'm just saying, boys, look at this. Pro Parker right here. Boys, you can't even slip your fingers through that. I did a good job. All right, time to start working on this thing. Boys, I'm a little confused. I've had this like semi-opened in my room, and also got back here on the bed of the truck, but it's got so much cat hair. I had it like cracked open. I didn't expect like cat hair to be in it. And she's in. Oh, it went limp. Like usual. So simple strap. And that doesn't want to stay up. Okay. And then swing her around. And that goes in there. Is there another strap? No, that's just limp. Where did these go? Alright. It's time to sit in this. The thing has disappeared. This is absolutely stupid. Why am I doing this? It works. So we're just gonna turn on the power. No, this is gonna drain the battery, but I don't care. It's lighting up. Is there a switch or anything on this? Nope. So is it just plug and play? Oh no, there's a thing right here. Oh, here's the. I'm stupid. High, off, low. Let me actually crank her. Actually, while I'm here, I know I did that parking job. I kind of want to back up. I wonder how long this thing will actually take. I don't know if I'm going to use this thing. Like, I'm under quarantine, so I'm not really going out much other than pick up groceries from like the, where you have to go order it online and then drive there and get it. But you can also tell I got the quarantine cut. So yeah, I got that. Boys, this is stupid. Been sitting here for 5 minutes. It's not too bad. It's not warm, it's not cold. Or it's not hot, it's not cold, it's warm. This is one that, it slides down. This is one of the weirdest gifts I've ever gotten for like my vehicle. But screw it, it works. Okay, I've been sitting here for a while. My butt is warm still. It's not hot, it's warm. So. Okay, I literally just got back inside from like installing it, and as I was folding up the box to put it away, these fell out of it. I would have made the install so much simpler. Why? Why do this? I'm not really much worried about this running my truck. I'm more worried about the rattling noise that's coming from under the hood.